You ever look across the street and see your old buddy, the one who used to crash on your couch, eat all your snacks, and borrow your car, now cruising into a fancier zip code? Man has leveled. Fresh car, new crib. Meanwhile, your bank app is still throwing up gang signs like it's stuck in the trenches. Here's the harsh truth. He didn't win the lotto. He didn't sell his soul. He just figured out something basic as hell while you were up doom-scrolling TikTok and skipping budgeting videos like they were salad on a cheat day. He let his money work while he slept. Let me put you on game. Stocks! The cheat code to wealth that you keep ignoring like your student loan reminders. These 6 lessons are so simple. You're gonna know what the hell stocks are, how they make you money, why the broke boy lifestyle ends today, and how to actually figure out if a stock's worth your hard-earned cash. Lesson 4 is a game changer. Picture this. Everyone wants a damn Labubu. I think they're hideous, but okay. Instead of hopping in line to purchase one, you ask to buy a piece of the actual business. Boom! That's a stock! You now own part of the company. That means when they win, you win. You're not just jumping on trends, you're making profits. Buying common stock equals ownership, voting rights, and a shot at cash. Dividends plus price increases. Companies sell stocks to raise money for stuff like expansion, tech, and hiring. You buy in, you get a shot at the profits. But if they flop harder than a SoundCloud rapper, your money takes the hit. That's risk versus reward. First lesson. What's a ticker symbol? Think of a ticker symbol like a company's nickname in the stock market. It's a short code, usually 1 to 5 letters, like AAPL. That's Apple. TSLA is Tesla. AMZN is Amazon. When you're buying stock, you type in that code in your app to pull up the company. It's like searching for someone on Instagram. You gotta know their handle. Lesson number 2. How the F do you make money from stocks? 2 main ways. 1. Buy low, sell high. Grab a stock at $10. It jumps to $20. You sell. Congrats, you just doubled your money. That's called capital gains. Easy in theory, hard in practice. Stock prices swing like a toxic ex, up, down, and hella unpredictable. Smart investors treat stocks like the gym. You go consistently. You don't panic if you're not swole in a week. Studies show that long-term holding beats panic selling every damn time. 2. Dividends. That's when the company literally cuts you a check just for owning a piece of them. Like getting paid just to chill. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, those are dividend machines. You can reinvest it to buy more stock or cash out to fund your iced coffee addiction. Please understand, dividends can change or disappear, but strong companies usually keep them steady like your grandma's church attendance. You're probably thinking, but I got a savings account. Cool. That account's giving you 0.4% interest while inflation eats your money like Pac-Man. The stock market? 7 to 10% on average long term. That's the difference between retiring on a beach or crashing at your cousin's place. Yeah, markets dip. Sometimes they crash. That's called a correction, a 10 to 20% drop, or a bear market. Alternatively, if the market sustains an increase of 20%, it's called a bull market. Don't trip, that's part of the game. Most corrections last less than 3 months. It's like ripping off a Band-Aid. Feels like hell, but you'll live. You don't panic sell during dips. You buy that shit like it's Black Friday. Third lesson. Types of stocks. Let's break it down like a DJ at a college party. Blue chip, the Apples, Microsofts, grown man stocks, reliable, stable, not flashy. Growth, Tesla, Netflix, wild boys, high risk, high reward. Value, solid but underrated, like finding designer at a thrift shop. Dividend, the slow money gang, old school companies that pay you to stick around. penny. Stocks under $5. Super risky. Could triple or go to zero. Handle with gloves. Fourth lesson. How to know if a stock is worth it. Look at the company's earnings. Is it actually making money or just selling dreams? Check the PE ratio, price to earnings. Tells you if a stock is overpriced or a deal. Growth potential. Are they innovating or stuck in 2012? Debt levels. Too much debt? Red flag. News and leadership. If the CEO is a walking scandal, maybe skip it. What do they sell? Do you even like their product? If not, why invest? If you wouldn't want to own the whole company, don't even own a piece. Lesson 5. How to buy. It's easy, bro. 1. Open your brokerage account. Robinhood, Fidelity, Schwab. 2. Link your bank. 3. Search ticker symbols. APL, Apple, TSLA, Tesla. 4. Choose how many shares or fractions you want. 5. Hit buy. Done. The stock market is just a giant mall. Shares are the products. NYSE and NASDAQ are the 2 biggest stores. Prices shift based on supply, demand, earnings reports, and sometimes dumb tweets. You don't need to know every aisle, you just need to shop smart. Stocks never stay the same. Everything will change their value. Earnings, news, inflation, Elon Musk opening his mouth, even wars. It's like the stock market has ADHD. But over time, it goes up. That's the trend. Time in the market beats trying to time the market. Final lesson. S&P 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ. These are indexes. Think of them like playlists. S&P 500, the top 500 U.S. companies, big dogs. Dow Jones, 30 huge U.S. companies, old money. NASDAQ, tech-heavy, think nerds with millions. If they're green, the market's up. If they're red, the news is crying. You must start right away. Start now, even with $10. Yes, you can buy fractional shares. Contribute every paycheck. That's called dollar cost averaging. It smooths out the market's drama. Diversify. Don't go all in on one stock like you're betting rent money on FanDuel. Use index funds or ETFs if you're uneducated. They spread the risk for you. Think long term. Hold for years, not weeks. Let that money marinate. Myths to kill right now. I need thousands to start. Cap, you can start with $1. It's too risky. So it's not investing. Inflation is robbing you daily. It's too complicated. Bruh, you figured out TikTok. You can figure this out. Bottom line, stocks are how average people build above average wealth. They take you from surviving to thriving, from paycheck to power plays, from broke to boss. So what now? Keep whining about rent prices? Or finally move like a damn adult and get in the game? Drop a chart if you're ready to invest. Drop a bag of money if you already got skin in the game. Drop a shocked face if you just realized your savings account is robbing you blind. Do something, anything. The future version of you is watching. He's either giving you a high five or shaking his head like, bro, really? Now go buy stock in companies you believe in. Hold it. Let it grow. Get rich so quietly people think you disappeared. Then pull up to your high school reunion in something foreign. That's how you make it make sense.